Good morning, lecturer and my friend. My name is Peng Xuan. Today I want to present final year project. My project is focused in automated grading system. In this final year project, this system present as a AI assistant grading system for reflective writing in PDF format. Furthermore, this system extract text evaluate content using an AI language model and generate preliminary grade with structured feedback. Lastly, it also can reduce lecture grading workload while keeping human in control of final assessment decision. In this project statement, this project addresses several challenges in the current grading process for reflective writing. Firstly, manual grading is a very time-consuming and significantly increased lecture workload. Secondly, grading results can be inconsistent and subjective when evaluated by different lecturers. Furthermore, most existing automated grading tools mainly focus on grammar and surface level features, and they do not effectively assess the depth of reflection. Lastly, ethical concerns such as transparency, fairness, and data privacy has limited adoption of AI technology in educational assessment. In this project objective, this project is used to develop a web-based system that supports PDF-based assignment submission and grading. This system will implement AI assistant grading to generate a preliminary scores. At the same time, lecturer will be able to review, adjust, and approve the grade before they are finalized and released to the student. Lastly, this approach also ensures that the system will be improved efficiency while still maintaining human control, transparency, and fairness in the assessment process. In this project objective, this project is used to develop a web-based system that supports PDF-based assignment submission and grading. This system will implement AI assistant grading to generate a preliminary scores. At the same time, lecturer will be able to review, adjust, and approve the grade before they are finalized and released to the student. Lastly, this approach also ensures that the system will be improved efficiency while still maintaining human control, transparency, and fairness in the assessment process. This system is designed with four main modules to support different user roles, namely the admin module, teacher module, student module, and parent module. First is admin module. This admin module is responsible for managing the overall system configuration. This administrator manages system setting, user account, class subject elimination, and platform operation. They ensure that the system can be launched smoothly and support academic administration effectively. Second is teacher module. This teacher module allows lecturer or teacher to upload assignment, review AI-generated grade and feedback. They also can manage their class and approve final student results. This module ensures that teachers maintain control over assessment decision while benefiting from AI-assisted grading support. Third is student module. This student module enables students to submit their assignment in PDF format, view grade feedback, check their timetable, and receive announcement. This provides students with a convenient and transparent way to engage with the learning and assessment process. Here is my automated grading system. This page is home page. It contains 5 modules. First is class. It can view the subject and teacher which assigned to the class. Second, we can see the teacher information in the teacher side. Third module is subject. We can view the subject information. Fourth is contact. We can send the report to the admin. It also will automatically send a report to the user. Now we go to the mail thread. Mail thread has contact two types of Gmail. First is contact user, second is contact admin. Now we go to the last module, which is about us page. Here is the login page. It contains a forget password function. Now we go to the forget password page. We need to insert the Gmail information to send a recovery link. Now we go to the mail thread to see the reset button link. So now we enter the reset password. Need to reset the password in a new password. So now we have successfully reset the password. Now we can log in to the admin site. Here is my admin Gmail. This page is the admin dashboard page. Now we can go to the admin list to add the information for the admin. Here is my add new admin function. Our admin also contains the edit function. Here is my chat module. It can allow us to chat with other people. Now we enter to the teacher list. This is the teacher adding function. Now we can insert the teacher information for the teacher. This is the student list. We can add the student information for a student to create a new student account. And this account can enter to the student dashboard. Now we go to parent list. This allows us to assign a student to the parent, so that in parent dashboard we can see the student result, subject, and others. Now it's in class list. We can add the class, add the amount. We also can edit it. Here is the subject list. We can add the new subject, make the subject type to be practical or theory. We also can edit the subject and delete the subject. Here is the class timetable list. We can set the time for the class, for the subject. We can set the room number for the subject, and this list will be able to see at the student, parent, and teacher. This is assign class teacher function. It can assign class to the teacher to allow teacher to assign with different class. You also can have multiple class to edit. We also have an edit single class, so it allows us to edit it easily. This is the assign subject list. We can assign a new subject to a class. We also can edit multiple subjects. We also can edit a single subject. Here is the exam list. We can add the exam information. Here is the exam studio. We need to select the exam and class. So we can select the time and the room number and insert the full mark and passing mark. Next, we go to the mark register page. We can insert class work mark, homework mark, test mark, exam mark, so that it will save the result and present the mark graph. You also can print the student result. Here is the mark graph list. You can add the graph like A, B, C, D. This is the student attendance list. We can export a Excel list. Here is the Excel list. Here is the notice box list. We can add the notice box to the user, and we also can send email to the user. Now we search the admin to send an email to the admin. Now here is the admin email. Now we can go to the homework list to add a new homework. Now we enter to the homework submitted page. We can use AI to grade the score. After that, we can approve the final score and export a report, a PDF report. Here is the PDF report. We also can go to the fee collection. Here is the system setting. We can set the school name. Here is the slide list. We can edit and add the slide. Here is the rubric list. We can edit and add the rubric. This rubric need to at least 100 mark. Here is the contact report page. So we can automatically send a report. This is the automated report. Here is the change password page. And this is the my account information to other account. Now we go to the teacher side. This is the teacher dashboard. This is the teacher class to see the class. This is the student list. We also can check with the student and send an emoji. Here is the my exam timetable. This is my calendar to see the class and exam. This is for the mark register to register for a student. This is the student attendance. We also can insert the attendance in teacher side. This is the student attendance report. This is the homework list. We also can add the homework to the student. And we also can AI grade the homework. Here is the my notice box. We can see the event. We also can insert a new rubric. Here is my account information and change password. Now we go to the student side. Here is my student dashboard. This is my homework and my submitted homework. And this is my timetable and subject. This is my exam timetable, and we also can export the exam result. This is my subject, and this is my calendar to see the class and exam. This is my attendance list report. This is my collect fee report. We also can add the fee in cash, in Stripe, and PayPal. This is my notice board event. Here is the bar list, and this is the quiz. This is my teacher list. We also can check information. This is my account information. This is the parent dashboard. And we can see the student and student subject. See the exam timetable, exam result, and export the report. This is the student calendar to see the class and exam result. This is homework. This is submitted homework. This is fee. This is teacher. We also can chat with the teacher and sending the emoji. This is the parent and student notice board. Now we enter to the student side to chat with teacher. Yeah, here is the notification. We can send a file. That's all. This is all my system demo. Thank you.